Hello friends, I'm Simpy from Western Overseas. So today we are going to be discuss some of the important writing tips. IELTS writing is a 60 minutes task, includes task 1 and task 2. So what I suggest that try to spend 40 minutes on a task 2. Why? Because task 2 is more scoring, having a more weightage. So better is to spend 40 minutes on the task 2 and 20 minutes on the task 1. Time management is important. So what I suggest that better is to go with the first 5 minutes planning. Plan your answer. Then start writing. And at the last, again, please spare 5 minutes for the proofreading. I'm telling you, this proofreading is going to be very helpful to you. Because जब आप proofreading करेंगे, आपको पता लगेगा क्या क्या mistakes हुई हैं, आप उनको वहीं पर ही correct कर पाएंगे. So proofreading is very important, candidates. The next important part, GRA, grammatical range and accuracy, having a weightage of 25% marks. So what you have to do, वो 25% marks लेने के लिए try to use a wide range of sentence structures. Wide range means try to use compound sentences, complex sentences, conditional sentences. Use the sentences with some clauses, will help you to get a variety. Once you have a variety, you will get the 25% marks. Next step, important is to work on lexical resource. For the lexical resources, I suggest to work on TSV, topic specific vocabulary. For the task 2, focus on the topics like education, science, technology, money, health. With these simple topics, try to gather some vocabulary words. 25% marks हैं lexical resource के. So हम कैसे learn करेंगे? We have to prepare TSVs, topic specific vocabulary. आप prepare कर लें. Try to use in your task 2. Definitely will help you not only in writing. ये tip तो speaking में भी काम आएगा. TSV वहाँ पर भी helpful है. Next important, राइटिंग मॉड्यूल में फॉर्मल राइटिंग ही यूज करें. डोंट ट्राई टू यूज एनी इनफॉर्मल वर्ड्स. हैंड राइटिंग शुड बी लेजिबल. राइटिंग मॉड्यूल में हैंड राइटिंग इंपॉर्टेंट है. करेक्ट. द नेक्स्ट मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज कि जब भी आप राइटिंग करें, आपके आइडियाज मस्ट बी कनेक्टेड. कोहेजन एंड कोहेरेंस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. योर फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ इंट्रोडक्शन, next paragraph, body paragraph 1, body paragraph 2, and then the conclusion at the last is very important. In a body paragraphs, start always with a topic sentence. Correct? Then write your idea number 1. Idea number 1, elaborate. Justify it. How? By giving some example. If you are not having example, no worries. Just elaborate the idea. But it is important to elaborate the idea. Why? Because we are going to get marks for cohesion. तो जो भी आप आइडिया दें उसको elaborate जरूर करें. इन सब चीजों को करने से we are getting very close to the perfect 9 band. Stay tuned for more tips.